Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Countifs with multiple criteria in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have a data. So here I used the two criteria, year and product. So in this two criteria, 2018, the television products, here you get the count of this television product in 2018 entries. Okay. So simply select the cell used is equal to and enter the count ifs. So I select the counts ifs and here the criteria range 1. The criteria range 1 means the first criteria range. Okay. The first criteria is 2080. The range of this criteria is year column. So simply select the year column. Use the comma, then criteria 1. Then here select the criteria 1. Okay. So criteria 1 is a 2080. Then use the comma. Then criteria range 2. So criteria 2 is a product and criteria 2 product range is a product column. So select the range of criteria 2. Use the comma. Then select the criteria 2. Criteria 2 is the televisions. Select the televisions bracket closed and enter. That's it. The forced televisions product in 2018. To cross check this count, just simply apply the filter on this data. To apply the filter, simply select the cell. Click on this three dot and click on the filter icons. Here the filter is created. Then click on the product name filters and here select only televisions and click on OK. So total televisions products is 7, count 7th. But in 2018, so in year also you have to filter. Select here 2018 and click on OK. In 2018, the television's product is 4. The count is 4. It means it's correctly calculated. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.